My painting is poetry, its colors, my words. Each stroke, a story, each brush, a song, each color is glory as its tube comes along. The pains of aging are the colors of life. In this age, I live in what is more dare to do of this undone work, inspired by you. So I leave the house, I walk the street, sunshine cooks up the pavement with heat. I feel the wind, a gentle cold breeze. Daytime is ending, so I rest my knees as I sit on a bench under a tree, staring at sunset, my shadow with me. So I close my eyes, imagine, create a reality out of fantasy. Do you hear what I hear? Do you see what I see? Are you there somewhere, maybe waiting for me? With a touch from a moment from the tips of my brush. Now she lays before me, slowly I blush. Each stroke, a movement, each color, a time, each tube, a memory of my rhythm and rhyme. As my eyes slowly open, I give a great sigh. What is this? I still lay on bed. Slowly I rise. What kind of haunting tease is this? It's the mist to be awakened by someone's kiss. Thank you.